Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I have been reviewing my revising my adult coloring books for the past few days, and I thought I would take the opportunity to show you exactly what I do, how I format my books to upload to Createspace. I create my books in using PowerPoint 2007. Okay, so I already opened up a new page here in PowerPoint, right? And the first thing I do is of course we have to set up the page to the size that we would like the document to be, right? Now, um, I normally create my adult coloring books in the size of 8.5 by 11, but I don't create the book in that size. I notice that when I use that size, the images go beyond the borders of the page in Createspace. So I decided to I tweaked my document a bit and make some adjustments myself that work for me. So, first thing we do, we go into design. We're going to change the size of the page. I'll click on design, and then we go into page setup. So instead of using 8.5 by 11 in size, I change my width to 8 and the height of 10. Now this is what works for me, and that's what I've been using for my books of late. Click on OK, and we'll change the size of the page. Now, to get this area to move, you can either click on it and delete it, or you could just go into Home and go into Layout and just say select on blank page, blank layout. Okay. All right. So I already have my page set up. This is how I'm going to continue my pages to be like. That's it basically. So the next thing I need to do is to insert an image. All right, so I use paint.net to adjust the size of my images and stuff. So I'll go to paint.net right away. If you don't have paint.net, you could just simply Google it and just Google paint.net download, free download, and you could basically download it to your desktop. Okay, this is one of my images here. There's another one here. I'll start with this one. And if you look down here, the measurements is 564 by 797. Okay. So of course that's a bit too small. So I'll go into image and resize. And here, first of all, we have to remember we have to have our images to be a resolution of 300 dpi and more. Okay, so that's the first thing we need to do is increase the dpi and by adjusting it here. And the resolution, normally I select 700 because I find sometimes if I use 300, for some reason, I'll get an error message from Createspace, even though they will accept it. But I like to see my error message as minimum as possible. The next thing I do now, this area here where it says print size, we're gonna come down there and change the width to 8 and the height of 10. Click on OK. Lovely. So now I'm going to just basically save this document with the new resize measurements. Click on OK. Okay, that's done. That's saved. So I'm going to go back to my PowerPoint document and I'm going to insert that particular image into the document. So we're going to insert, click on picture, and we're going to we're going to find that particular image we just adjusted the size for. So let's go to my, let me see if I can find that quickly. It's somewhere around here. Page 1. There it is. and insert that there. And that's it. What I like about PowerPoint, it just slaps the images onto the page. I don't really have to adjust anything, and I'm good to go with this. So after I've done that first page, I just basically go, if I go back into insert, and no, I'll go back into home actually, and we will say, now you want to insert more pages. So we say more new slides, click on that, and there's an option that says, you can have different options here. You can either duplicate a blank page or duplicate selected slides. But in this case here, we don't want to duplicate this image here. So we'll just say a blank slide, and we'll just come here now and insert another image. Now in that option where for duplicate slides, now I do journals as well. And the of course in the journals you have lines that people have to write on, right? So in that case I want to copy that selected slide to another page, so that's where this option will come in handy. But for this adult coloring book, we just you select the blank slide for each new page. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to format the other pages, and I'll be back to finish this project. Okay, done resizing the other two images that I want to insert in my adult coloring book. So I'm going to insert them now. So like I said before, like we did before, I'm going to insert, and then we select picture, and I'll select the image. I'm going to select this one, page 2, for test. You see how easy that is? Click right on the page, and I'm going to insert another page here right after this one. So I just going to insert, I'm going to home this time, new slide, and just click on blank, and then we go back into insert image, and then insert another image, this one here, page 3, for test. And that's it. So what I'll do, basically save this. Of course we have to save it too. Let me just save it for you. I'll save it, going to home, save as. Of course you'll have more pages than this. Okay, this is just for the example of this particular tutorial. I'm going to save. This is going to save as any presentation format, but to upload to Createspace, it has to be in PDF format. So after I've done this step, I'll have to save the document in the PDF format. Okay, so the next step I will do, I'll go back into Start and select Save as PDF. And you see this here is saying the PDF, this is save as the file type. So we just publish that. And this is the file we're going to, the PDF file is the one we're going to upload to Createspace. So that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to leave me a message in the comment area below. That if you would like me to clarify anything, I'll be happy to try my best to see if I can answer your questions. Okay, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.